In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send large files in Gmail effectively and efficiently. Communicating via email is a cornerstone of how we share information today. However, one common challenge you might encounter is dealing with file size limitations, especially when you need to send large files. But fear not, Gmail offers a straightforward solution using Google Drive, and we'll walk through this process together. First, you'll want to open Gmail in your web browser and click on the Compose button, typically located in the upper left corner. This will open a new email draft window where you can enter your recipient's email address, the subject of your email, and any message body you'd like to include. Setting up this outline helps you focus on the next step of attaching your large files. Instead of trying to attach a large file directly to the email, which Gmail won't allow if it exceeds 25 megabytes, you'll want to leverage the power of Google Drive. Look towards the bottom toolbar of your composed email draft. You should see a small Google Drive triangular icon. Clicking this icon will open up your Google Drive. From here, you can either select a file already stored in your drive by simply clicking on it, or if you need to upload a new file, click on the Upload tab. This option allows you to drag and drop files directly from your computer into Google Drive, or you can click Select Files from your device. Once you've located the file you need to upload, click Upload again to add it to your drive. After you've uploaded or selected the appropriate file, ensure it is highlighted, and then click on the Insert button at the bottom of the window. This action generates a link to your file and pastes it in your email draft. This link allows the recipient to access the file through your drive instead of including the actual file in the email. It's important to manage the sharing settings to ensure that your recipient can access the file. Right after you've inserted the file link, Gmail will prompt you to adjust privacy permissions. You'll want to select either anyone with the link can view for the easiest access or customize the sharing settings as per security needs, ensuring your recipient has either viewing or editing rights as desired. Lastly, go over your email draft once more to ensure everything looks good, then hit Send. Your email is now on its way, complete with a link to your large file, without worrying about size constraints. By following these steps, you can seamlessly send large files using Gmail and Google Drive, making sure your information is shared without a hitch. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find this method both practical and easy to implement.